Oh, fuck's sake. Right, so we're back again at an abandoned mansion. If you can see, we had to walk through a big path to get through everything. But if you look over here, it's absolutely massive. It's in the distance here.
Such a scary place, isn't it?
It is. We're gonna have to go up to get a closer look at it.
So scary, yeah.
Proper
Let's
spooky.
go, mate. At night time too, look how dark it is.
There's a big giant path that goes the whole way around to it, but we can't get to it. This is all we can see for now, so let's get closer to it.
You shooting bricks, Sam?
Making our way up. Look how dark it is without the torches. Like, you can almost see how creepy this place is at night time.
It's amazing the size of that mansion, isn't it?
It's massive, yeah. It is a bit overgrown too by the looks of it. So we've got colour bricks. You can see in the background of his wee light is there. So hopefully we're gonna find a way in. Be a scary one, but it'll be a fun one. Oh, we're blocked up? Yeah. Jordan says the way's blocked up, but we're gonna try and find a way in as hard as we can. Are we gonna get killed in here?
To be honest, we might, because it is a very creepy, eerie place.
Isn't it?
It's giving me the weirdest vibes. It's such an old building, but isn't it? Like, it's like Victorian era kind of vibe.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? So stay with us, because you might die. Hopefully not, but there's a chance you might die. Oh no, my damn boards are fresh too. It's like, hey,
Yo,
any luck?
color backs. Is that you in?
So Carl Arbex is here, trying to find us a way in.
But it's through glass.
Yeah, that's it. If like all things fail, plan B. But we will try our best to sneak a wee way in. So we found a wee bit round the back. It's sort of like a wee shed. Round the back in the bushes. Definitely something creepy about it. So we're still trying to find a way in.
Yeah.
Weird vibes, isn't it?
It is.
Like we're definitely being strangled to death in here.
There's some old wine glasses.
Oh yeah, yeah. I bet they're old. Yeah, so we have seen a few pictures of inside here, and it looks really good, doesn't it? But we're still obviously trying to find a way in as we speak. But it's just all this fucking shite to crawl through, isn't it? This is like an old driveway. You can see the fence where the cars would have pulled up. We still haven't found a way in. We're struggling to find a way in, but we're gonna show you the front of the house now.
I don't know who's living here, but it must have been very rich. Or he or she.
Can you go through the front door? Oh yeah, I'd say it must have been very, very rich. Just look at it.
Alarm.
Oh, fuck's sake.
Where'd they go?
Jordan's just set the alarm off, so that's basically us.
God.
We need Carlos.
Carlos! Come out the front, quick!
Fuck's sake. Well, that's a wrap for the mansion, eh? That is a wrap.
Your man's gonna be here in a second.
But that's the alarm there. Jordan's just after setting it off, so we feel like somebody will be coming to check it.
We're still going to try and find a way in.
But I feel like we'll try and get in still.
Yeah, so...
We're getting in.
We're definitely trying to find a way in.
So this one will be exciting because we could have company on this one.
Right, so after 15 minutes running around bushes looking, we came back to our plan B. Carlos didn't even think to check. The Jamie has just checked.
Look at this. Carlos has cut the bits for fuck's sake. We've set an alarm off. Fuck's sake.
First steps into the mansion.
We're in. Well,
Here
we
we
made
are.
it.
Boom.
One motion sensor.
This
and
one-
cars cut legs later.
This room's like collapsed.
We made it in.
So this is my new house. Alright. Don't use the mind if it's in a stain or nothing like.
It's great.
Some vases. They're class. Whoa.
We're not working with that.
Oh, Jamie.
Show them what we're working
This is not good, boys. It's not looking good, bruv. Oh.
See, there is a basement.
Don't worry, lads. This is not this video. This mansion is beautiful.
It's beautiful.
It's proper
We
beautiful.
may not die by being
The
strangled.
photos I've seen, this place is unreal. So There's definitely much more.
You know what? It's a challenge.
It is a challenge.
It is a challenge.
Mate, imagine
Oh,
having
I
a
done
fireplace
this
at the
one.
top of your stairs.
I done this one before.
Like, take a wee break and get warm on the way up. What's
Yeah.
happening?
I'd be fucking warm from walking upstairs. I'm not lazy.
What? That's unbelievable,
I have this
Jeff.
sort of money in my life.
There's another wee room in here. Look at the wallpaper and stuff. You can tell how old it is.
Oh shit.
The shelves, built down shelves in the wall.
Oh, lad. That floor's disconnected from the floor.
From the what?
The floor's disconnected.
Go ahead.
Please, yes. Ready? The floor has completely disconnected. Look,
I don't think we should be up here, you know?
like the floor's sitting sideways. Completely fallen through. Now. There we go.
Yay! Jesus, Carlos, mate, this floor is detached.
It's detached from the whole building.
I'm doing this with both my hands. I have no free hands right now.
Military chests.
Military chests.
Military chests.
I had to do this bit before. And
This is solid.
All of it. Back onto the safe part, lads. Carlos is making his way over the death trap now, and Jimmy is showing us some military chests. Imagine with handguns.
Yeah, imagine flying guns. Look,
Whoa.
you see that?
Oh, we gotta be closer to. Damn.
Yeah.
Very cool.
These are proper like old,
Can you open
old
up, yeah?
army chests.
Look at the writing on the side of them. It's hard to make out.
Proper army chests.
With the Royal it says 3930.
Don't know what the fuck they are.
Does anyone know what these beams are? Probably not for anything to do with the war. Wait, no, hold on.
Hold on.
Am I being right by saying
I know
you
what
use
they
them
are.
to stuff your rifle?
No.
No?
See, back in the day,
Yeah.
they used these to hold the carpet on the stairs.
Really? Yes, at the end, they tuck him in, I
Tuck
think.
them in.
Uh-huh. There's our lads.
Like, these are old military chests, aren't they?
Very cool.
Royal signals.
London. And
They're really old army chests.
here, can we take a minute to appreciate the photo frame in the background?
Oh,
That's-
fuck on.
Very antique and good looking. Bit chipped, but it gives all the look to it, doesn't it?
Damn.
Look at this old saw.
Holy fuck, that's a big saw.
You could use, that's like a 2-man saw.
Yeah, fuck.
Oh,
It's like a wee,
you're
like,
trapped.
secret bit, isn't it?
That is. You all good, Carlos?
Ooh, yo, look at this, right? Look at this.
Got up and left kind of job.
Yeah, does it get up and left kind of job? Mate. How nice are they?
What?
Appreciate that.
Mate, that's like fine China. Whoa.
Just appreciate that for a second.
Mate.
Like, what has happened here that somebody has went out and left that? Here, come look down here, look. All the wines and all.
What? There's no way. Literally, as if the person that says 2008 on it, as if the person that just got up.
And left, isn't it?
Flip me.
Appreciate the table. Like, just the table still.
Huh?
Just,
Ready for dinner?
yeah. Just sitting there.
Look at that. And it's like half the kitchen's collapsed. More like the other
That's
half.
the roof we were walking on, you know?
That's the roof we were walking
That's
on.
the roof we're walking on.
The big dipped one.
But yeah, appreciate the kitchen.
Look at that. Beautiful.
It's beautiful.
The washing machine and stuff.
The-
All the pots and stuff are just smashing.
Oh, yeah. Mate, that's a solid fucking cable too. It's all gone. It's all been crushed. It's just like as soon as this thing collapses, there's so much here being lost.
Look at the chicken on the tiles for the wee chicks. That's cool. Some more colour at the very top here. They're just for decoration, you can tell, but
Yeah. So much.
that's amazing. Like all the little things mattered back in. There's the old telephone. Some books.
We'll go back upstairs, see what else we can find.
Nah,
this is
go for this way.
You sure?
Because look, basement.
Oh, fuck off.
Mate, we'll have to go down there.
It's like some out of a horror movie.
We'll have to.
I called it, we're getting stabbed.
Oh, I put
You're
my pants.
panicking like.
I literally just put my pants. Just me and you.
The basement, mate.
Down to the basement.
Why is it always us that goes into the fucking basement?
Oh, it's always me and Jimmy. Basically have to do this kind of stuff.
Right.
Down to the
Get
basement.
us down in the basement.
Here we are. Spooky old basement.
Yes,
Just brick walls. Whoa.
Well,
Full wine cellar.
holy fuck. Yo, that's all that, isn't it?
Check a date on them.
1995.
1995.
Like they're really old.
Look at that.
What's that?
Weird squeak noise.
What the fuck was
It's a
that?
weird squeaking noise.
Yeah.
You do hear all sorts of mad noises.
Yeah.
Apart from that big fart I done, but you know.
That's just because you were scared of it.
I was literally scared. Basement's not where you want to be.
No.
Oh, I thought I was banging my head.
I'm thinking right.
Right, so we're making our way back up the stairs here just to do a lot of the rooms because there's still a few rooms we didn't cover. There's a map of the Northern Ireland. That's insane.
But obviously they cut it out because they're probably loyalists, you know.
Make it political, make it political.
Always one.
Always one.
No, well look, they have a tiny bit of Ireland and then the rest is Northern Ireland.
Oh my.
Oh, wow.
Jesus.
Hey, look at the ceiling. Yo, look at the ceiling.
What the hell? And the windows.
Mate, look at these statues and all.
I just want to go down the round here quickly.
Go ahead.
Look at that. Photos on the wall. The statues. Unbelievable.
Wait, this is beautiful.
There's like the front wee bit. Holy shit, Jimmy.
This is beautiful. Yeah, we have found like a builder. Like you'll not see many abandoned places like this. We've found a
There's something.
tower.
This is unbelievable.
And to be fair, there was one motion sensor that set an alarm off. But how did we get in so easy?
Like too easy.
This is so valuable.
Whoa. My head's on that
You
scary.
look at that.
What?
Yo.
Go ahead, Jimmy, get beside
Look
it.
at this. Jamie and
Hey! Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Imagine someone had a camera in their eye. And like everyone in here, they were just watching.
Imagine there was a wee camera in this bird's eye. Who are you working with?
Are you?
This is what you would have seen.
Auctions and antiques.
I was up for auction at one stage.
Look at this.
That's quite mad.
Yeah, like, there's pictures the whole way down it. Look.
Whoa.
Oh, fuck.
Mate, why is it like a big giant, like something you seen in a princess movie?
That's like the Queen's bed.
Isn't it? I would feel mate, you could literally jump in that bed right now.
Yeah, look at this wee lounge chair too. That's a five.
Yeah.
I gotta go test it. Happiness. Not gonna lie, like they had the idea right, but
All of them got in this place.
the confidence doesn't pass it. Like
No?
nah.
No memory foam mattress in that boy.
No, fuck. It's a professional.
Lad,
Yo.
why is there a telephone on the bed?
Yeah.
Lift that off. Right, so
Oh.
you can call people while you're in bed.
Cup of tea.
Let me see
Aye.
numbers on that. That's wild.
You can actually call for a cup of tea.
While you're in bed.
They call it Chinese on this, mate, on your bed. It's like growing in.
Look inside the wardrobe.
Oh. Dress very well, didn't it?
Blazers.
Dress very well.
A few blazers. What's in this one?
Look. Capture the like
The overgrowth.
of coming inside the window. Mate, you can't. I'll never see you under there. I'll never see you.
Actually, imagine fucking walking on when you're walking about the house, but being under bed and seeing someone's feet and all. Shut up.
I cry.
Shut up. Shut up. I think that,
We went down.
that's one of my worst fears, you know.
Holy mate, this is the first time I've actually seen
One that's everywhere, something like that.
that's mad. This staircase is mad.
This is like, imagine going out on a night out, mate, bringing a girl home to this.
Yeah, it would be class, wouldn't it?
Jesus. You don't know where to start. Like, what do I go do first? Slide down the banisters? I mean,
Yo, you'd be slipping right down this banister, wouldn't you? All day you'd be launching yourself down this banister.
making our way down the stairs.
Look at the floor. That's like, what is it? Like the 7 stages of man?
7 stages of man here. All.
It is quite an interesting floor, yeah. Like every single bit represents like
Whoa.
a
Yeah.
stage.
Yeah.
There's another World War II chest.
Yours,
Yeah.
wasn't it?
Like they're like brass tapestries or something. They're weird. They're like
Yeah,
3D
yeah.
things.
Don't be going through that door.
This is behind the stairs. Fives, mate. High fives.
They're based.
Christmas
I
Carol.
bet there'll be some interesting books in here, you know.
Christmas Carol.
Every man's library.
Wheel chest. Man, there's just so much unique stuff in here. Look at that, man.
About, you know, like every man's library.
Old golf set. Tennis racket. That's really cool. The things we're finding here are unreal. Like, why would you not want to subscribe to us? Because the things you're just going to see on this page are unbelievable.
Who else shows you this in Ireland?
Who else shows you this?
Who else shows you this?
Look at that. It's like a lounge room, isn't it? Floor doesn't seem too safe. 4 fireplaces
4 fireplaces I've counted so far
In this where?
in this whole house.
in the whole house so far.
The fucking effort to go through like all that.
Apparently not.
Look at this. That's
Whoa.
cool.
Maybe that's like a World War II radio. Oh my god, man, look at that.
Holy fuck.
That's literally a World War II radio.
Look, Prague, Moscow, Russia. Mate, it's like all different countries. It's like, look, that's Russia, right?
Uh-huh.
Moscow, Athens, Greece,
Yeah.
Lisbon,
Yeah.
Portugal. But that's a
Berlin,
radio for every
Germany.
every set, like every major city.
That's amazing.
That's mad. Look at the table.
Look at this here, pad. It has feet. Yo. There's no way.
And look at these. That's very fancy, that, isn't it?
Whoa.
It's actually not. It's not. It seems fake, actually. Feel it?
Yeah.
Obviously, you expected more, actually. Feel that?
It's very violent. Oh my god, it's like really fragile.
Yeah, if I expected more.
Lift it up again.
Look who's he.
Jeez.
It's a long time, man.
That's how long it's not moved. Even over here. Look at that, Jimmy. The bird. In the middle, it's like a big eagle. It's a big eagle. Big brass eagle.
That's beautiful, isn't it?
The desk. We'll have a man on there. The floor's a bit dodgy on it though.
Yeah, how nice is this, too? Oh, that's gotta wait.
Look at the babies.
Who would leave all this here?
Incredible.
Who would leave all this?
A big giant fireplace.
Like, Antiques Roadshow would have a fucking field day in here.
Wouldn't it?
Fucking hell.
This is Antiques Roadshow Central.
What the fuck?
Right, so we're coming to the end of our explores because basically came across every room. But there's a few rooms we haven't showed you. And we've left them for last. What way?
I think this way, and then go left maybe. Yeah, we've got a strange, like, it's weird. We feel like, here, Jordan, right here. We feel like somebody's here with us, or we just have a strange feeling someone is gonna show up.
Definitely. Only because there was a sensor that went off.
Yeah, like,
We went to start the video.
yeah, when we were trying to get in, we set off that alarm. And fuck that, because, like, this place is already creepy as what it is, you know what I mean? It's the last room we've got to do. What's it like? Oh wow.
Spacious.
How about Carlos upstairs?
Hmm?
How about Carlos upstairs? See a problem? Carlos is currently live on Facebook. So like, it's scary because he's like different places than us, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you're hearing these bangs and walking, you're like, shit. Oh wow, these must be bits off the chandelier. What's this newspaper? Yeah, 2004.
Crazy.
Crazy that, isn't it?
What? This is a chandelier.
No, this mansion's been special, hasn't it? Yeah.
It has made bigger. It's crazy how there's so much stuff actually left here. What I say,
What do you think?
round up and start to get out because there does be a saying where you overstay your welcome and we seem to do that every time.
Every time.
Someone racks
I've also set off an alarm too. So Jordan, what's your last thoughts on this?
Overstay your welcome. Plan B would be lift the window up. Let's get that all on.
What's your thoughts on the mansion?
Oh, what's my thoughts?
On the mansion, yeah.
My thoughts on the mansion, it was been absolutely unreal. Didn't think we would see the stuff we've seen. Made World War II chairs.
It shocked me.
Unbelievable. Look at
The antiques, mate, yeah. The design in the floor speaks 1,000 words on it.
You can make it up, yeah. It's like shit.
So yeah, now, as I say, every Monday at 7 o'clock, we're going to be releasing new explorers.
Look at the very top of it, it has a man holding a sword.
You see, even the detail in that. Yeah, so as I say, every Monday, 7 PM, new explorers.
Car bags.
We love this
Can you go
one.
down here and get a
Like-
video of us?
Yeah, I can do, yeah.
Come on.
We love this one.
Yeah, you're right. You are for the carpet, see?
Oh, here we go. Here we go. I was right.
That's what they were in the chest for.
So those are I'm not going to do it trial edges, but Jamie's going to do it. So
Well lads, that's all for the abandoned mansion. We all hope you liked it, and see the things we found inside was absolutely amazing. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.
And as well, that was weird.
It was a
Like,
weird vibe.
It shocked you? Like, as we walked in that, like the first window, did you expect that?
I felt like someone was following me the whole time as well. It was an eerie, scary vibe. But as Jimmy said, unexpected.
And it looked like the whole building had collapsed in itself.
Amazing
But, you know,
explore.
yeah,
Amazing.
you know.
Yes lads.
Thank you.
Thank you.